Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're going to start by verifying prerequisites and opening the right pane. First, make sure iOS and WhatsApp are updated. Once done, open iPhone settings and tap Notifications. Now find WhatsApp in the app list and enable Allow Notifications, Badges, Sounds, and Lock Screen Alerts so the app can push alerts. This immediate step gives WhatsApp permission to show banners and badges. It's essential because without it, the rest of these customization steps won't take effect. Once notifications are allowed, switch to customizing how they behave. In iPhone notification settings, choose Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners so you see alerts where you want them. Next, set sounds and show previews to always or when unlocked depending on privacy. Then open WhatsApp, tap Settings right arrow notifications to pick separate chat and group tones, enable or disable in-app sounds, and turn on vibration if needed. These choices control urgency and visibility, so you won't miss important messages. Finish by testing and fixing problems quickly. Send a test message from another device or ask a friend to ping you, and confirm the banner, sound, and badge appear. If you don't see alerts, check Focus or Do Not Disturb. Make sure WhatsApp is allowed as a permitted app. Also verify you haven't muted specific chats or groups in-app. If problems persist, restart your iPhone, toggle WhatsApp notification permissions off and on, and as a last resort, reinstall WhatsApp to refresh settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.